In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to awaken Luffy in Sea's Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to awaken any character, including Luffy, in Sea's Battlegrounds. You will be able to do this by attacking other opponents. So for you to awaken, you have to fill out this awakening bar below your health. So it is going to be this purple bar, and you have to fill it all the way to 100. You can easily do this by attacking other opponents with M1s or by using your abilities. So right now it is on 30%, and if I do an M1 on this dummy, it increased to 31. So each M1 is going to roughly increase it by 1%, and each ability will roughly give you 5%. So as you can see, it went from 34 to 37, so instead of 5, that one only gave me 3%. But regardless, the point is that you will be able to fill out this awakening bar by damaging other opponents. You can do this as any character. For this video specifically, I'm going to showcase Luffy's awakened form, but it is going to work for Sanji, Zoro, Gojo, and Ano. So regardless, just go ahead and fill out this bar by damaging other opponents. And once it is completely filled, you will be able to awaken. So I'm just going to cut the video when I get there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and press G to awaken Luffy. You will see this big animation play out, and we're still not done. You will now have access to the Gear 5 moveset. Keep in mind that this bar is now going to start being drained, so you have limited time to be on this form. You will have your strongest moves here. So you have Kaminari, which does this big shockwave after you jump into the air. You have Gigant, which does this, a big stomp. You have Fukuru, which I'm going to use right now. And you might notice at the left that you have the Battlegrounds gun bar. You need to fill this bar out before your awakening form goes away. So right now we're roughly on 50%, so we still have a lot of time. So you will have the cooldown for these abilities, and you will be able to repeatedly use them as long as you are still in your awakening form. These do a lot of damage, they knock back your opponent, and they are overall very flashy and fun to use. So once you fill out your Battlegrounds bar, you will be able to use your ultimate Battlegrounds by pressing G. So you can walk up to any opponent, go ahead and press G, and you will see the animation play out. So this is what it looks like. So this is going to be Luffy's Awakening Ultimate, which is Battlegrounds gun. It has a lot of effects, it's very cool to watch, and it has a lot of sounds as well. I apologize, I'm not recording audio at the moment in the game, but regardless, you can see by the effects that it is a very strong ultimate, and you will be able to use it by filling out the Battlegrounds gun bar at the left. I hope I was able to help you on how to awaken Luffy in Sea's Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.